Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to clear your Google Chrome history on your iPhone. Let's do it in under 2 minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your iPhone. Next, tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen to open the menu. Now tap on History to see your browsing history. At the bottom, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Here, you can choose what you want to delete: browsing history, cookies, cached images, and more. Make sure browsing history is checked and then tap on Clear Browsing Data at the bottom. A confirmation will pop up. Just tap Clear Browsing Data again to confirm. And that's it. Your Google Chrome history is clear. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick tips. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.